す。締め出す。締め出す mean give out or shut out. 締め is mean you shut something down or you shut something out. So push dust is also mean put something out, right? So that mean shut out or keep out. You see here, you want to lock the door, you can say Shimedasu. Door o Shimedasu. This means shut out the door or keep out the door. Suzuki-san wa door o shimedashitemasu. Suzuki-san wa door o shimedashitemasu, which means Mr. Suzuki is shutting the door out. Or you can say you want to shut out the window, you can say Mado o shimedasu. Mado o shimedasu, which means shut out the window. Watashi wa Mado o shimedashitemasu. Watashi wa Mado o shimedashitemasu, which means I am shutting the window out. Or you can say Tanaka-san wa Mado o shimedashita. Tanaka-san wa Mado o shimedashita ka? I can say Anata wa Mado o shimedashita ka? This means did you lock the door, or did you shut out the door, or did you lock out the window?